Hello everybody, it's Crafty Ria and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you found it, and if you are returning, welcome back. I really hope you like what you see and you hit that subscribe button and then that bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Today I have some happy mail. It is winnings from the Christmas in July collab that some fellow YouTubers have done. And this is from Elsa, the Bargain Hunting Crafter. I was one of the lucky winners. We got to pick from two different gift bags, one with a tree and one with a snowman, and I think I picked the tree. So anyway, this is what it is. I have no idea what it is. It was a secret kind of giveaway, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It just came in the mail today, and I'm so excited. I think I could cut this part carefully. There we go. Yep. Okay, and it was the tree bag. This is what the bag was, and they were both behind her. And she said we could pick one or the other, and I picked tree. So here's a card. I'll go ahead and open the card first. And by the way, thank you, Elsa. She reminds me of my Auntie Anne from when I was a little girl, and it's just the way she talks and everything. She just reminds me of her. So this is the card. It says, "Congrats again, sweetie. Yay, congratulations." And she even wrote, "From your Auntie Elsa," because I told her she reminded me of my Auntie Anne, and I've called her Auntie Elsa. So here is the goodie bag. I will start with the pieces that fell out. And this is some table scatter, and it's some Christmas goodies. These are really cute. I can use these on cards. We have some holly in red and green, and some reindeer in black, red, and green, I think. Yep. And some more holly in the black. Those are really cute. I can definitely use those on cards. And I think they're wood. They feel like wood. Very cool. Definitely will be able to use those. And then these are so pretty. These are baking cups with poinsettias on them. I'm going to see if I can make something out of these. I'm going to have to research it. And if I can, I will bring you a video for sure. And this is the gift bag, which will, of course, get reused. And these are some fun embellishments. I believe she made these using some tulle and these little buttons. There's the gingerbread man, and then the pink one with the snowflake. So pretty. Those would be pretty on top of a package instead of a bow. Love those. Okay, I will set those aside. And oh my goodness, look at this adorable elf. Oh, like the elf on a shelf kind of guy. Oh, I love him. We used to have, when I was little, I don't know if you guys remember, the elf that kind of looked like these, and his knees would fold up and his arms would go around his knees in like a loop. I don't know what they're called. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know. They had really long legs, and the legs would like bend at the knee, and their arms were just one circle and would go around their knees. Anyway, there we go. That is really cute, and he's got something to hang. I have a lot of places to hang things in my craft room, some hooks and stuff, and he'll be hanging from there. He'll probably stay up all year because he's very cute. And let's see, we'll grab this. This is a goodie bag of sorts. Let's see what's inside. This is so exciting. Of course, these jingle bells in this pretty pink and that pretty blue color. I like those. And then we have some pieces of, got a little sequin on my finger. Some little cardstock pieces, journaling spots, things to use on cards. That would be cute. I could do 2 of them for the inside of a card. Point me to the mistletoe. Naughty and nice, which of course I'm nice. I'm not naughty. And that would be pretty for a front of a card as well. And that's pretty too. I could definitely use those and make some cards out of them. And there's a few little loose sequins, which I will put in with my sequins for sure. Let's see, we have, it looks like some tags. These are very thick. They're like double-sided, but like chipboard, they feel like. That one's pretty and sparkly. I love the candy canes. Candy canes, I don't know why. It's one of my favorite, designs for Christmas. And that one is so pretty with all the sparkly. And that tag and that cute little deer under the tree. So sweet. Okay, I like those a lot. And I'll just reach in and grab something else. This looks awesome. Ooh, I'm so excited. These are so pretty. These are Bling patch stickers. Oh, wow. And look at that one. That is so pretty. That would be good on one of those, on like the CD that I made yesterday. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. They're so pretty. They're too pretty to use. I don't know what I'm going to use them for. That's my problem, is when I get stuff that's too pretty to use, I just don't use them. And this is joyful, and these like sword toppers that you can stick in little cupcakes or, dessert, stuff like that. And it spells out joyful. That's really cute. I'd have to think of something creative for that. Let me know if you think of anything creative to use these for other than making cupcakes, because I probably shouldn't be eating cupcakes. And, oh, of course, some hangers for the Christmas tree ornaments. Those are always good to have. Ooh, that's all wrapped up. I'm going to open that last. And when that is last, that is everything in the bag. I like the bag. You know, that could be done up with some bling and stuff on there and make it even more festive. All right, so I will open this little envelope. See if I can get it off without breaking the seal. Okay. This is a neat envelope. Oh, I bet it's numbers. Yep, it's good for like either a December daily or what am I trying to say? An advent calendar. They're pretty. Of course, some of them have bling on them. Some glitter. I should say, maybe not really bling, but it's glitter. Look at the 15. Oh, that's so pretty. 17 has some. 18 has a lot of bling. Yes, very cool. A lot of bling. All right. Thank you so much, Elsa, Auntie Elsa. This stuff is really awesome. I really like this little envelope box. Is that a die cut? Let me know if you know if that's a die cut, because I think I need to get it, because that's really cute how that little piece holds it closed. I like that a lot. Thank you so much, Auntie Elsa. I really appreciate it. I will link her channel below. Please go check her out and give her some love. She's so sweet, and she does a lot of really neat little crafts. She has giveaways. She does Dollar Tree hauls. All right, everyone. Thanks again, Auntie Elsa. I really appreciate it. Go check her out. Give her some love. Head on over to my Facebook group, Create with Crafteria. I'd love to have you join, and also go check out my Patreon page. There's a lot of cool things going on over there. I have 5 different levels to choose from: Happy Mail, card kits, things like that. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.